Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Your English.
Hey everyone.
Welcome to Day 3 of our Speak English in 30 Days series.
In Day 1, you learned how to introduce yourself.
In Day 2, you learned how to ask and answer simple questions.
And today, we're going to talk about your daily routine.
This is something you use all the time when you talk to friends, at work, or in everyday conversations.
Let's start with some simple sentences and repeat them. You can say, I wake up at.
I wake up at. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 8 a.m. Now let's continue. You can say, I go to work.
I go to work. Or, I go to school.
I go to the gym.
Very simple. Very useful.
Now one more sentence. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast. Or, I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Great! You are already describing your day.
And in the next part, we're going to build a real conversation.
So stay with us, and let's continue.
Now let's put everything together and talk about your daily routine in a real conversation.
Imagine someone asks you, what do you do every day?
I'll start. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. And you?
I wake up at 8 a.m. What do you do in the morning?
I drink coffee and eat breakfast. What about you?
I go to the gym.
Nice.
Do you work in the morning?
Yes, I do. I go to work at 9 a.m. What do you do?
I'm a student. I study in the morning.
That's great.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work and answer emails. And you?
I study and relax. What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV. Sometimes I read a book.
Nice. I watch TV or listen to music.
Now let's do it again, a little faster.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I drink coffee and eat breakfast.
Do you work in the morning?
Yes, I do. I go to work at 9 a.m.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work and answer emails.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV. Perfect. This is a real conversation you can use every day.
At work, at school, or with friends.
And now it's your turn.
Answer these questions out loud.
What time do you wake up? Now let's practice together.
Listen and repeat after us. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I study.
I study.
I relax.
I relax.
I watch TV.
I watch TV. Great. Now let's build full sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. and I drink coffee.
I wake up at 8 a.m. and I go to the gym.
I eat breakfast and I go to work.
I study and I relax.
Very good.
Now it's your turn. Speak out loud.
Say what time you wake up.
Say what you do in the morning.
Say what you do in the afternoon.
Say what you do in the evening.
Take your time. And try to speak in full sentences.
Now let's do a full conversation one more time. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I drink coffee and eat breakfast.
Do you work or study?
I work.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work and answer emails.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV.
Sounds good.
Now try to say it with your own answers. Use your real life.
Even if it's simple, that's perfect.
Because the goal is not perfect English.
The goal is real English.
English you can use every day.
And today, you learned how to talk about your daily routine.
And this is only day 3.
Tomorrow, we're going to talk about time.
So you can say things like now, later, today, and tomorrow.
And speak more naturally.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and continue this 30-day journey with us.
See you in day 4.
See you tomorrow.